Hello and welcome back to our channel, the place where we explore the best natural ways to live a vibrant and healthy life at any age. Today, we're tackling a question many of you have asked. Is it possible to feel stronger and more energetic after 60? What if I told you that part of the answer might be sitting in your kitchen pantry right now? We're diving deep into the world of natural remedies to explore how 3 simple, yet powerful, teas could help turn back your muscle clock. As we gracefully age, our bodies naturally go through changes. One of the most common is sarcopenia, which is the age-related loss of muscle mass and strength. It can make everyday activities feel more challenging and impact our overall vitality. While a healthy diet and regular exercise are the cornerstones of maintaining muscle health, certain natural compounds can provide that extra support our bodies need. And that's where these amazing teas come in. Now, before we get into our top 3, let's talk about why tea can be so beneficial. Teas are packed with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds. Think of antioxidants as your body's personal cleanup crew, fighting off damage from free radicals that can accelerate aging. Inflammation, on the other hand, is a natural process, but chronic inflammation can contribute to muscle breakdown. So, a beverage that tackles both. That's a huge win for our muscles. All right, let's get to it. The first tea on our list is a classic for a reason: green tea. You've probably heard about its benefits for weight management and heart health, but it's also a superstar for your muscles. Green tea is loaded with powerful antioxidants called catechins, with the most famous one being EGCG. Studies suggest that EGCG can help reduce muscle damage caused by exercise and age-related oxidative stress. It essentially helps protect your muscle cells from wear and tear. What's more, some research indicates that green tea can enhance the body's ability to use fat for energy, which can improve endurance and make physical activity feel a little less strenuous. This is fantastic news because staying active is crucial for telling your body to keep that muscle. So, enjoying a daily cup of green tea isn't just a soothing ritual. It's an active step towards preserving your strength and stamina. It's one of the simplest additions to a healthy diet that offers a world of benefits. Moving on to our second powerhouse tea, ginger tea. Ginger is one of the most celebrated natural remedies on the planet, renowned for its potent anti-inflammatory properties. The active compound, gingerol, is what gives ginger its spicy kick and its incredible ability to soothe aches and pains. As we get older, we might experience more muscle soreness after physical activity, or even just from daily life. This is where ginger tea can be your best friend. By helping to reduce inflammation, ginger can ease muscle discomfort and support faster recovery. This means you can stay more consistent with your exercise routine, whether it's walking, gardening, or strength training, without being sidelined by soreness. A more comfortable body is a more active body, and that's the key to maintaining muscle mass. Plus, ginger is fantastic for digestion and is considered one of the great immune-boosting foods. A strong immune system and a happy gut are foundational to overall health, allowing your body to focus its resources on maintaining and building muscle. And now, for our third and final tea, which might surprise some of you: rooibos tea, also known as red bush tea. This caffeine-free brew from South Africa is a treasure trove of unique antioxidants, including aspalathin and quercetin. These compounds are excellent at fighting oxidative stress, just like the catechins in green tea. But rooibos has another trick up its sleeve. It's rich in essential minerals like magnesium and potassium. Why is this important for your muscles? Well, potassium is crucial for proper muscle function and preventing cramps, while magnesium plays a role in over 300 biochemical reactions in the body, including muscle contraction and relaxation, and protein synthesis, the very process of building new muscle. So, sipping on rooibos tea not only provides antioxidant protection, but also delivers key minerals that your muscles need to function optimally and repair themselves. And because it's naturally caffeine-free, You can enjoy it any time of day, even before bed, to help your body recover while you sleep. So, to recap, we have green tea to protect muscle cells and boost endurance, ginger tea to fight inflammation and aid recovery, and rooibos tea to supply muscle-supporting minerals and powerful antioxidants. Incorporating these 3 teas into your routine is a simple, enjoyable, and effective strategy to complement your healthy lifestyle. Of course, these teas are not a magic bullet. They work best as part of a holistic approach. This includes a healthy diet rich in protein to provide the building blocks for muscle, regular physical activity that includes resistance training to stimulate muscle growth, and adequate sleep for recovery. Think of these teas as your natural allies, giving your body the extra support it needs to thrive after 60. We're all about empowering you with knowledge to make the best choices for your health. Exploring natural remedies like these can be a wonderful journey of discovery. Have you tried any of these teas for muscle health? Or do you have another favorite natural remedy you'd like to share? Let us know in the comments below. We love hearing from our community. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you found this information helpful and inspiring. If you enjoyed this video and want more tips on natural health and wellness, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Here's to staying strong, active, and vibrant at every age. We'll see you in the next video.